Yo, bless up people. I go talk. I go thinker. Some constructive thoughts though. Yo, the thing we are going to Usain Bolt and some other people. Other people we don't really know, but Usain Bolt are the focus of the thing. But you realize something? One day if you don't realize something, when you realize say right now Uptown have a wave, a scam, people out of them money, and them not put a gun to your head, them not put no form of aggression towards you. You just get rip off and you not even know. You see me? Some passive aggressive type of scamming. But yet still, them are the first if beat down the liquor youth them with a chop. I guess the saying really goes say thief never love to see thief with long bag. You see me? Thief really never love to see thief with long bag. But come we dissect it and break it down though. And we are go as far as when Siaga did borrow the money from I think a Century Bank and say him forget to pay about the loan and nothing no come out of it. Whole heap of mismanagement from government over the years them borrow money from banks and no payback and no ramification. Nothing no come out of it just write off. Then we see where Movada and film lawyer me say it or she want name, I don't remember where her name now. Where Movada claims that she robbed him $30 million. $30 million, And then there was another claim against her with some real estate thing that brought her to the limelight and highlighted her as this criminal lawyer. And as soon as the case get thrown in a court and she get reprimanded or was apprehended, we see which part she come out on bail and she behave like she mad. You see me? And to me, it just look like theatrics. Is a way for scam the system and get yourself out of paying for your evil deeds. You see me? And then we switch part the opposition politician brother got held the other day with much millions of dollars of cocaine. And my boss of the system for let him out of jail and put him on bail because him have kidney problems and he need dialysis. You see me? You see the commonality? Everybody use some type of sickness to justify why they shouldn't be held accountable for their actions thus far, or how them can get themselves out of being persecuted or prosecuted for their mishandling of funds or misappropriation of their behavior, if you want to put it in a better term. And then now it's a boat thing, the big thing, the thing where everybody has said, where the money there, where the money there, where fast food money there. And nobody can answer where fast food money there. You see me? One of the biggest part of it when Zachary, I think Zachary said you not even know about money in a SSL. Really? Your brethren Bolt where you pose up with half on your page and you never know about money in a SSL. And even if you did know, you'd stop them from taking it. That's a question I want to ask you. Would you have stopped them from taking Bolt's money if you did know it in there? Probably not. Because you see, even though them know Bolt and them see Bolt is not a part of their community. Bolt never grow with them. So them are going to look out for them one another. And them will take from whoever else and smile at them face like it's nothing. Because Uptown, look out for Uptown. It's a gang, it's a clique. You see me? And you might come up there, but you'll never belong up there as long as you live up there. You see me? Because you never in the circle with them inner. You just get a quick break as far as them concerned, and you can afford some of these luxuries that they work so hard to buy. You just get a lucky break. So you will never truly understand what it takes to work your ass off and actually earn a spot in upper society, upper St. Andrew, as them would have put it, set away. You see me? But it's a lesson to everybody, you know. You see it? Cash a joke thing unless you have something to do with it. Them type of cash you should just dash down on some real estate or some assets until they're ready for it. Because, truth be told, if that 12 million USD tie up in some real estate, it would is a slow burner depending upon where the real estate is. But first of all, it wouldn't lose value, and it would have grown in equity. You know, the land property would have increased so as time goes by, and your money would have grow. You see me? Your money would have grow with all of that. When you tie up cash like that and investment a high risk, depending upon your risk tolerance, and in a company like them there, where a lot of people don't know about, you know, them people gamble, and when you have people gambling money when they're used to money, there's no, it's like you put butter a puss mouth, and you expect them now to find a way to try to squeeze out some, especially without Jamaica so hard, and them want to keep up keep up appearance, to look like them and make money and live the life like everybody else. Them see chopper them when I go to school and not do as much work and live the lifestyle. And you think that now go tempt them to go try live the lifestyle to be a part of the crowd. You see me? You think to them now want to live like how Bolt live? I want to, man. I move like on a delusion also. Or move like on in a disbelief. And then everybody I say, oh, them to do that to Bolt. But I see in person, I say, oh, them to do that to Bolt. I sing, don't bounce check in our account and make the skull upset. So I vex on a vex, say, I Bolt them do it too. But for everybody else, it's alright. Remember saying, you know, word sound power. Jamaica sing about this scamming thing for years now. That's the biggest thing right now. And when we see the manifestation of it, our own, is where we have a problem. Why we have a problem now? Now this we are glorify. Now this we are talk about. Bounce check. You see me? Scam and cheat and thief. Right? Only look sound good when time and I get the burn. Because when we get the burn, everybody upset. Why? You see me? Why? When I the biggest song right now, chop, 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 you chop till you chop off your own blood clot bank book. You see me? I can't just imagine Bolt now one studio right now and an artist come in and I say, when I chop it, and Bolt say, alright, come out here with that, man. Where you go with that? I don't want you nothing but to chop it. See Boss Night party and enjoy himself. As the chopping song then come on and just left, because you know it's just a reminder say him get chopped. As a matter of fact, him can't go no more party right now. Because every party in town, he's been reminded that a beer chopping. If I go one of them early 90s and 2000 party, I only party him can go no one of face the reality, say, yo, him get chopped. You see me? Yeah, man. But I might think that for today, you know. You see me? I'll talk. You see me? We just say we drop something and we try to keep up a consistency where we just drop some videos on YouTube and, you know, grow the channel. You see me? Just come along with me on the journey and make us see how far we can take this. Because I want to get monetized now. You see me? I mean, I get monetized. You see me? God or the devil, one of them are going to work for me, because I have an idea. We just put things in the universe and it manifests. You see it? So, best up on yourself. I got thinker. Out. Press a like, press a share, press a follow. Subscribe now. Yeah, man, subscribe.